Back in my paleontology days, there was one common criticism I would often hear about the study of fossils, and that it's the most useless science on the planet. And I'm not just talking about social media comments. I had fellow geology majors telling me that studying ancient life is useless. And there are a plethora of reasons of why that's not true, but let's talk about one. This is Dr. Wolf Ernst Reif. He was a German paleontologist that specialized in fossil sharks. For his PhD research, he wanted to study the evolution of shark scales and how they're related to their teeth. Shark scales are called placoids, and Wolf wanted to compare fossil scales to modern sharks. He noticed that in both some prehistoric and modern sharks, scales will have these long divots in them. And he predicted that these indentations reduce drag of the shark while it was swimming. Drag is the opposing force of something moving through a fluid, so animals tend to evolve adaptations to help them swim more efficiently. This is also why golf balls have a bunch of dimples in them. It's to reduce drag as they're being hit through the air. Now, Wolf teamed up with a physicist named Dietrich Becker. They conducted lab studies running fluid over different types of shark scales, and they found that indeed the ones that had divots were more efficient at moving through fluid than the ones that didn't. Now, the physicist took that information and began working on something that is very cool. An adhesive film that resembles shark skin that is put on the bottom of boats and on planes. This material was given the very cool name AeroShark. And ever since this film has been applied to boats and planes, cargo shipping companies have saved a lot of money on fuel because they're moving through the water more efficiently. And in turn also prevents tens of thousands of tons of carbon not being released into the atmosphere each year. So these shipping companies are saving fuel and saving money, all because one guy was interested in a couple of scraps of fossil shark scales. Now, my personal belief is that science should be done for the sake of knowledge, regardless if it's beneficial to society or not. But if saving fuel and money are not beneficial, then I don't know what is.